welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin ngayon is paper flowers. So hapon, ang ginawa natin is a DIY headband holder. So for today, gagawa tayo ng paper flowers for this unicorn theme background. Okay? So if you want to know how to do this, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so for the DIY paper flowers, what we need is we need a colored paper, we need a glue gun, a scissor, a pencil, a glue stick. Okay guys, so for the first step, what we need is the whole colored paper. So we need at least 7 pieces of this, and then after this is for the first layer, and for the second layer you need to fold it into 2 for the second layer. It will be look like this, and then for the third layer we need to fold it again. It look like a 1 whole, 1/4, and 1/2 and 1/4. That's it. That's it. So that's your first petal. You need 7 of this, a whole sheet of paper, color paper. After this, after you draw a petal on the color paper, you need to cut it. If you want to cut it all together, it's up to you. If you want to do it one by one, it's up to you. But to make the life easier, you need to cut it together. Time is gold. That's it. After you cut, you have a first layer of petals here. After you cut the petals, draw a line here. That's it, and then cut it. You need to cut it like that. Okay, we're done in 3 colors of our petals. I have here a pink, a yellow one, or a light yellow, and the green one. So you need to fold, for the stigma, you need to fold the whole colored sheet of paper in a lengthwise, like that, and then cut it. And then after you cut it in a lengthwise, fold it again in a lengthwise again. So this is for the stigma, guys. Stigma, or on the center of the flowers. After you cut it in that way, fold it into 2.5. Fold it again. Like that. And then you can cut it like this. Okay, we're done in our 3 stigma here, or the center of the flowers. We need to assemble now the flowers, the petals. Okay, so all you have to do is, okay, we'll do the pink first. this. So all you need to do is, first you need to roll it like this, using the pencil that you have there. Like that. Like that. Remember, you cut this the bottom part of the petals. You need to stick it together. Okay, so after you cut the petals here, after you've done the center of your flowers or the stigma, we need to do a base of your flowers. So we need a perfect circle for that. Then after you made a perfect circle, just cut it. We're done in first layer, second and third. We need to put them together in this circle. Okay guys, so that will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video. Bye!